The second line of the company motto is create the vision. You need to create the vision of how you'll live in the future and design your life's blueprint with it. You are creating a movie out of it. It's all about how you will follow what you have envisioned. You must be able to think in a complex way. We have been given this incredible ability of being able to think for ourselves. You can be successful with the power of your mind. This company called Atomy came out of my mind. To think is to have that power. You live by the power of your thoughts. The first step to success is to change your mentality. If you change your mentality, your body will change too. Your expression will change. Your gaze will change. Everything will change. Your own mentality is what determines whether your life becomes a superb life or a low one. How you think can make a huge difference. If you have bad thoughts, you will become a bad person. But if you have good thoughts, you'll become a good person. A person who thinks that this is just impossible nonsense versus a person living in Cambodia who states that he will earn $50,000 a month and promises to live helping others. They'll be vastly different in 3 to 5 years. You must dream of what kind of life you will live in the future and live that dream, bringing it to the present. Successful people don't live just following reality. They predict how the world will change in the future. They predict that future by applying the concept of time in their present space. The most precise and absolute method to do so is to go to that future ourselves. You must convince yourselves that you are someone who earns $50,000 a month, that you are a crown or imperial master who earns $100,000 a month. You must live the present as if you are already an imperial master. That is living your future.